Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. Level sensor is installed in the middle of the filling hopper to detect the material level in the hopper. When the material in the hopper is lower than the position of the level sensor blade will rotate and give our signal to the PLC to tell the EPS shaping molding machine that the material in the hopper may not be enough for producing the next cycle. Then the shaping molding machine will stop production until the EPS material exceeds the level sensor. Then the machine will start again. For more information about this level sensor, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. See you next video.